is bound for.
Magandang araw! Welcome back to another vlog of Solid TV. Sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Nandito ako ngayon sa Alhambra train station patungong Albata Commercial Center. And since may ilan sa inyong tatanong kung paano ba mabilis makarating ng Albata Commercial Center mula sa area ng Alhambra using the city train, I will share with you some options na alam ko. Pero, syempre hindi kasama doon yung Riyadh Bus number 10. Ang unang option ay ang combination ng Purple Line at Blue Line. Ipapakita ko sa inyo sa route map. Mula dito sa Alhambra Station ay pupunta ako ng CAF D Station. Sa CAF D, using the Blue Line, papuntang National Museum Station. Then, nandun na ako sa Albata Commercial Center. Ang ikalawang option naman, or second option, is ang combination ng Purple Line, Orange Line, at Blue Line. Ito, ano ito yan? Mula sa Alhambra Station ng Purple, ay umu ako sa Anasim Station. And from Anasim Station, using the Orange Line, bababa ako ng Casaralocame Station. Then papalit ako ng Blue Line para makarating ako ng National Museum Station, which is the station intended for the Albata Commercial Center. At ang third option, which is the route that I'm going to take, ay ang combination ng Red Line at Green Line. I'll show you in the map. Mula sa Alhambra Station ng Red Line, babaybayin ko patungong King Saud University Station. Bababa ako sa Ministry of Education Station. From there, sasakay ako ng Green Line patungong National Museum Station. And that's it. Andun ako sa Albata Commercial Center. Samahan niyo ako at ating alamin kung gaano kabilis ang ruta ng Red and Green Line papuntang Albata Commercial Center. Tara! Bali, nandito ako sa Purple Line. Pababa ako ng Red Line. Ang hahanapin kong ruta ay bound to King Saud University Station. Ganito lang. Ayan. Direction to the left. Para paglipat tayo ng Red Line.
The next train to King Saud University is approaching. Please allow passengers off the train first. Destination King Saud University. Above. Doors closing.
12:02 PM. Tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis mo karating sa Ministry of Education Station.
The next station is Ministry of Education. Please change here for Green Line.
Bali, inabot lang ng 14 minutes ang trip mula sa Alhambra Station until here at the Ministry of Education Station. Mawawala dito dahil mayroong mga direction going to the train that will lead us to the National Museum Station. Ito yung Green Line. Saan daw pupunta? Going to the right. National Museum Station. Mula Ministry of Education all the way to the National Museum Station ay all underground. Tama, we're on the right track.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Destination, National Museum. Thank you for traveling on the Riyadh Metro.
I arrived at the National Museum Station
This is the last stop
exactly
of this train.
12:40
Do
p.m.
not enter this train.
To sum up my trip duration, mula Alhambra Station ng Red Line patung Ministry of Education ng Green Line, took me around 15 minutes, and mula Ministry of Education ng Green Line, nakarating ako dito sa National Museum Station ng within 25 minutes. In total, 40 minutes ang naging travel duration ko mula Alhambra Station hanggang National Museum Station with the use of the Red Line and Green Line. Bali, interconnecting station tong National Museum ng Blue Line. Yan. Papunta ng SAB Bank at saka Aldaba Station. And the Green Line, ito naman, pababa. 30 meters below the street level. Starting point siya ng Green Line from National Museum Station going to the Ministry of Education Station. Paglabas mo ng National Museum Station, ang bubungad sa'yo ay ang building ng Al-Bata Commercial Center. Magkabilis. In a span of 40 minutes mula Alhambra area patungong Al-Bata Commercial Center. Not bad. Still